Life is funny sometimes. Yesterday, I thought gardening was boring, but today, it is what I have chosen to turn a new page in my book of life. This is a small garden behind my house. I neglected it for a long time, just like how I neglected my own inner garden. I started drawing a plan for my little garden. I didn't need to overthink it. I just drew whatever I picture in my head. It's just like our life plan. A simple, easy life is just about living the way we truly want. It sounds so simple, but so many people out there struggle with it every day. Funny, isn't it? The garden plan doesn't need to be super detailed or fancy. It's just to know what I want to plant, where to plant it, and what tools I will need. Maybe our lives are just that simple too. Knowing what we want, how to do it, and what tools we need to get it done. After I had a clear picture of what to do, the next step was choosing good seed. Some seeds on my list weren't available at the store. That's okay because life is never perfect, right? Next, it was time to clear the weeds in the garden. Every new idea needs a clear space to start. It's hard to clarify if our garden of the mind is still full of weeds. I get to breathe in the fresh air while I work. My mind starts to clean up, leaving space for new thoughts. And the most important part is, I get to do it by my way. I don't have to follow anyone else's rules or worry about what they think. Once the garden was clear, all my ideas became clear too. A heavy rain suddenly started, even though the afternoon was sunny and clear at the same time. Life is funny like that. There's no right and no wrong. Just because the sun is out doesn't mean it's not able to rain, right? According to my plan, I was supposed to finish making all the garden beds today. But it's raining. No problem. If I cannot do it today, I'll just do it tomorrow. The best things to do is to just accept and enjoy what's happening right now. Well, this is the way that I choose. Farming, reading, practice English, and share this inspiration to the world. And well, thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.